ABCD is a square. Okay, remember what information is being provided. ABCD is a square. Okay, square means all the four sides are equal. A, B, C, D. Okay, it's a square, and triangle APB is an equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. Okay. Okay, this is provided to us.
Sir,
ABCD
which
is
question
an.
is this?
It is second question, exercise 9B, page number 125. Okay, we are doing second question. Okay, ABCD is a square. Okay, always remember ABCD, it's square. Okay, we are going to use properties of square, and APB, it's equilateral triangle. Okay, APB, it's equilateral triangle. It is provided to us. Okay, in each case, okay, first case we are going to prove triangle APD. Triangle APD and triangle BPC. Okay, these two triangles you have to prove to be congruent. Okay, these two triangles APD. This is our first triangle. APD and BPC. Second triangle. We have to prove these two triangles are congruent. We have to prove. Okay. So how you can prove? We have to prove these two triangles are congruent. Okay, always remember ABCD is a square. APB is an equilateral triangle. Square means all the four sides AB, BC, CD, and DA they are equal. Okay, and triangle APB means is an equilateral triangle. AB, PB, AP these are as well equal. This side is equal to this side equal to this side. It means all the four sides of the square and all the three sides of the triangle they all are equal. Understood? AB is common. It's side of square as well as of the triangle. Okay. So how we can prove?
So we can take these two triangles and
We have taken these two triangles already. Okay. Now which sides or which angles we should take?
so we can take AD equal to BC. So
Okay.
because it is a square.
AD equal to AD
BC.
equal to BC. So you can see the reason. It's a
Yes, sir.
side of a
Square.
square. AD and BC they are sides of a square. Sides of a square. Square ABCD you can write. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
angle APD is equals to angle BPC.
APD equal to angle BPC. That we how we can say that?
Sir, P is common.
We won't be able to say the angles are equal. We can't say that.
Sir, AP equals to
Sir, AP
BP
equals
and
to
it's the
BP.
side of equatorial triangle.
Yes, AP equal to BP. Second, AP equal to BP. They are sides of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So we have proved this side equal to this side equal to this side. Okay. Two sides we have taken. Okay. Now one more, either the side or the angle we have to take. We can't prove this equal to this. We won't be able to prove this one. Okay. So remaining is angle we have to take one. The side we cannot prove, the third side. One more angle. Okay. Remember the properties of the square and triangle. The square, how much is the angle? 90 degree.
90 degrees.
In a square, all the four angles are 90 degree. Okay. In equilateral triangle, angles are
60 degree.
60
degree.
degree. It means this angle is, okay, let me use different color. It means this angle is how much? 60 degree. This angle as well, 60 degree. Okay. What about this angle?
30 degree.
Sir,
Huh? Its pole is
30
90 degree, 30 degree. And this angle? 30 degree. Understood now?
yes, sir.
This angle is 90 degree. In equilateral triangle, the interior angle is 60 degree. So remaining angle will be 30 degree. Now we can prove the angle. So third, we can prove angle DAP. DAP equal to angle CBP. CBP. Have you all understood? Okay. So reason? What reason you will write?
Each angle of equilateral triangle is 90 degree.
Okay, a long reason will be there. Or simply you can write, okay. What reason we can write angle DAB? This is 30 degree. Either we can calculate, calculations we can provide here.
Sir,
Hmm?
so in the third point, how that is angle CPB came?
CPB came. Okay, how, see this angle is how much? 90 degree ABC. It's an angle of, square. So it will be 90 degree and this is equilateral triangle. So it will be 60 degree. So remaining angle we have calculated. It is 30 degree. Okay. Either you can provide the
Sir,
little
you
bit of
have written CPB. Sir, CBP.
CBP. Yes, CBP it is. CBP. Sorry for that. CBP it is. This is 30 degree. Okay. So what reason we can write here? Either you can write calculated or you can provide it like this. Angle DAP equal to 90 minus 60, you can straightforward write, or angle, you can write angle DAB minus angle PAB. Okay, angle CBP equal to angle ABC. In bracket, you can write 90 degree like this, and here 60 degrees. Okay. Similarly, CBP angle ACBA, that is 90 degree, minus angle ABE, that is 60 degree. You can write like this, or you can calculate it in somewhere separately, and from there you can put. Okay, understood this one? Have you understood this one? Okay, so which property we have used? Which property we have used? SAS. It is included angle. So by SAS, okay, so triangle APD is congruent to triangle PBC by SAS theorem. Have you understood? SAS. Okay. Okay, let me ask one thing. Is AD equal to AP? Is AD equal to AP? Think and answer.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, by
Yes.
50.
Yes, reason is here. This is side of, these are sides of square, they are equal. As well, see here, AB is common to square as well as the triangle, equilateral triangle. So these are as well equal. It's an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. And AB is common to square as well as triangle. Okay. Therefore, these are as well equal. Okay. Now see the second part. Find the angle DPC. DPC. Okay, I'm marking with red. Which angle we have to find? DPC. This angle we have to calculate. This angle we have to calculate. So how we are going to calculate this angle? We have to calculate angle
DC is equals to AB.
DC equal to AB, that we all know, but we don't require that. Okay, how we are going to calculate? Okay, see here. What kind of triangle is it? What kind of triangle is it? A triangle.
Isosceles.
Isosceles triangle it is because two sides are equal. It means angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. They are equal. Angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, it means the angles opposite to them are as well equal. So these two angles are equal. Okay, calculate them. Calculate them. Calculate them. How you are going to calculate? 180-degree total. So if you are taking it x plus 30 equal to, calculate everyone. Those angles you calculate. Okay, I'm rubbing this part. Okay. Calculate those angles. We require this angle mainly. Okay. So triangle APD is an isosceles triangle. Reason you can write because AD equal to AP, that we all know. Okay. So AD equal to AP. Angle ADP equal to angle ADP equal to angle APD. Okay. Now calculate. Calculate this angle. Everyone calculate this angle. Tell me how much it is. So angle DAP plus angle ADP plus angle, we can take it as X. Okay. Let okay. ADP plus angle APD. How much it is? 180-degree. Angle sum property of triangle. We already know. Okay, so angle DAP is how much? 30-degree. This is X, this is as well X equal to 180-degree. 2X equal to 180 minus 30-degree. 2X equal to 150-degree. How much is X? Calculate, tell me as well. 70. How much it is? Calculate it. 75 you got. So this angle is how much? 75-degree. Okay. There are many ways to proceed. Now see here, there are different ways as well to proceed. I'll tell you. This is 75-degree. You got it 75-degree. Okay. This is also will be 75-degree because these two are congruent. You can calculate this, you can calculate this. Remaining you can calculate. That is one way. Okay. The other way, what kind of triangle is this? DPC. DPC. Is it scalene, isosceles, or equilateral triangle? DPC. What kind of triangle is it? Anyone in class? DPC. What kind of triangle? We have proved these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, it means corresponding parts are also congruent, or we can say corresponding parts are also equal. Corresponding parts, they can be equal, they can be angles over the sides. It means this side is equal to this side. PPC.
Sir, equilateral triangle.
How equilateral triangle?
Sir,
So
now
the height.
sir, now you only said these two lines also are parallel, and we know the DC is this square, and these all sides are equal.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. DP equal to CP. They are equal. But I haven't said they are equal to DC. They are equal by CP/CTC. These two sides. But I haven't
Sir,
said these.
Sir, but in question there is given A, B, C, D is a square, and square all
A, B,
sides are equal.
all sides are equal. That's fine. See here. I'm taking this side, DP and PC. These two sides only I'm considering. DP and PC. This side and this side. Okay. Take these two triangles. These two triangles we have proved congruent. It means corresponding parts are also equal. This side will be equal to this side. Okay. But there is nowhere written or given that this side is equal to DC as well. It is not given. What we can prove? DP equal to CP. This side equal to this side. Okay. We can only prove this side equal to this side. We are not able to prove that DP equal to DC. We are not able to prove that. So it's an isosceles triangle. Okay. So can you calculate this angle? How much this angle will be? The whole is 90 degrees. 90 minus 75. How much it is? This angle will be how much?
15.
Sir, 15.
15 degree. It will be 15 degree. You all can see the figure is like this. Okay. This angle we have already got 75 degree. Okay. And this is square. So this angle, whole angle will be 90 degree. 90 minus 75, we are able to get this as 15 degree. Okay. This is 15 degree. How much angle this will be?
15.
Sir, 15.
15 degree. Okay. Remaining angle you can calculate. How much it will be?
150.
150 degree. Okay. This angle we have to find. Okay. Understood. This is one way. One more way is there. I'll be telling you that one as well. Okay. This is clear to calculate. The other way
So
is
how this is 150?
how it is 150 in a triangle. Sum of these three angles will be how much? 180 degree. 15 plus 15, 30 degree. So remaining angle will be 180 minus 30. That is 150 degree. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is one more way as well to calculate. See here. How much angle is this one? 75 degree. This will be 75 degree as well. Isosceles triangle. We have calculated them as well. X equal to 75. This equal to this equal to X. So this is 75. This is 75 degree. What these two triangles are congruent? It means this angle will be as well 75 degree. This angle as well will be 75 degree. And this angle is how much? 60 degree. Now, angle around a point is 360 degree. You can calculate this one. This way as well you can calculate. You can calculate this way as well. Have you understood? Have you understood this one? Anyone having doubt here? How to calculate angle DPC? X we have calculated. Then, okay, first way, we have calculated this angle 15 degree. And it's an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, it means this is 50 degree, this angle will be as well 15 degree. Angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So remaining angle we can calculate 180 minus 30 degree. That will give us 150 degree. Or the second way how? This angle is 75 degree, this angle will be 75 degree as well by CP/CTC. By CP/CTC. Or you can calculate this as well in isosceles triangle, you can calculate the angles or by CPCTC we can sit forward right, okay? This angle is already 60 degree, equilateral triangle. So remaining angle you can calculate. Sum of the angles around a point is 360 degree. So add these 75, 75 and 60 and subtract it from 360 degree. Okay, 150, 210. Okay, 360 minus 210, you will get that angle. Is this clear to all? Anyone having doubt here? Anyone having doubt? So DPC angle you can calculate. Okay, try the second one now. Everyone start doing the second figure. Draw the second figure and start doing it. Anyone having doubt? Okay, start doing the second one, everyone. Take those two triangles and try to prove them as congruent. This time you are given a figure. I'm drawing the figure this side. Again, ABCD is it's a square. Okay, and equilateral triangle is drawn here. P. APB. Okay, so it's an equilateral triangle. Okay, these are the triangles. Again, we have to prove triangle APD and triangle BPC are congruent. Okay, we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. How you are going to prove this time? Triangle APD, this triangle and this triangle. Okay, these two triangles you have to prove to be congruent. First triangle, this whole triangle and this whole triangle. Okay, so how we can prove them to be congruent? Okay, so if this is an equilateral triangle, this is a square, this is a square, it means these four sides are equal. As well, this is equilateral triangle. This side is also equal to this one. So these are as well equal. Okay, this is being given. Okay, so how we are going to prove them to be congruent?
Sir, AD is equals to BC.
ED equal to BC, already given, or we could sides of a square. Okay, sides of a square. AD equal to BC, first one. Second,
AP equal to
Sir,
BP.
AP is equal to BC.
AP equal to BP. Sides of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so two sides you have taken. See, a third side can we take? It is not given. Third side we won't be able to. It means
Yes, sir.
one angle we have to take. One angle we have to take. Which angle you are going to take this time? Think and answer. Everyone think about it. Which angle we can take? So in this triangle, see here, which three angles are there? This angle, or this angle. So which angle we should take? Either this angle, or this angle, or this angle. Always
Sir,
remember in. Mhm.
sir, triangle ADP we can take.
If you are taking AEDP, so can you calculate this one? How you are going to prove?
DAP.
Again, which angle?
DAP.
A
So DAP.
DAP. Okay, see here, if you take DAP, how much is this angle? Okay, 1 minute. DAP, if you are taking, how much is this
90
angle?
degree.
90 degree, because it's an angle of square. How much is this angle?
60 degrees.
60 degrees.
60
See here,
degree.
it's an equilateral triangle. This is 90, this is 60. Similarly here, 90 angle of an square, of its angle of a square, and it's an angle of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So you can easily tell, see how much is this angle? 150 degrees? 150 degrees. They are equal, we can prove. Okay. Third one, angle DAP equal to angle CBP. Okay. This time leave reason. Okay, no issue. We have shown in the diagram, so it's all already understood. Okay. This angle equal to this angle equal to, you can write equal to 150 degree. Okay, this is fine. Or you can write it like this, 90 plus 60 degree equal to 150 degree. Okay, now it is more understandable. Okay, now this time it's more clear. We can understand 90 plus 60 degree, how we have got. Okay, so which theorem we have used?
SAS.
AS. Okay, so these two triangles, triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPC by SAS theorem. By SAS theorem, okay, we have proved them to be congruent. Okay, after as we have proved them congruent, it means all the remaining corresponding angles are equal. All the remaining corresponding sides are as well equal. It means this side equal to this side, that is DP equal to CP. As well, this angle will be equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. This is clear? Okay. Now we have to find which angle? DPC. Okay, I'm using green color this time. Okay. We have to find this angle. How much is this angle? How to calculate? How much is this angle? See here. What kind of triangle is this?
Sir, isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. So this angle equal to this angle. You can calculate this angle. Calculate
Yes,
this
sir.
angle. Okay. So we are taking, okay, this time we are taking triangle. In triangle, okay, we can say triangle DAP. DAP. Okay, APD we have taken. Okay, APD you can write. Triangle APD is an isosceles triangle. Okay. APD is an isosceles triangle. Reason you already know. AD equal to AP. Okay. As AD equal to AP, therefore, which angles will be equal? ADP will be equal to angle APD. These two angles will be equal. You can take them as X. Okay. Now, in this triangle, angle sum property you take angle DAP plus angle ADP, all the three angles you add, APD, how much it is? 180 degree. Angle sum property of the triangle, you can write that. Okay. It is how much? 150 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. Calculate x. How much it is? Calculate and tell me. How much it will be?
15.
15 degrees it will be. 180 minus 150, 30 degrees. It is 2x, so it will be 15 degrees. Okay. So this angle we have calculated. Okay, and it comes out to be 15 degree. Okay. So these two angles are. This angle will be how much? See here, these two triangles are congruent. This triangle and these two triangles are congruent. It means this angle will be equal to this angle. You have to write that one as well. Okay. So next one, we have finished up to here. I'm rubbing this part. As we have already proved, triangle as triangle APD congruent to triangle APD, we have taken BPC. BPC. These we have already proved. It means angle APD equal to angle BPC. CPCTC, and it will be equal to angle 15 degree. Understood this one? Have you understood this one? These two triangles are common. These two angles will be equal. Okay, now can you calculate remaining angle? ABP
Yes, sir.
will be how much? 60 degree. Angle APB equal to 60 degree. Reason? Angle of an equilateral triangle. This APB is an equilateral triangle. This whole angle is 60 degree. And we subtract these two angles. Okay, so angle DPC equal to 60 minus 15 plus 15. Okay, here you can write those. Angle DPC equal to angle APB minus this and minus this. Okay, or you can do like this. This equal to how much? 30 degree. Angle DPC. Have you all understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Have you all
So
understood?
can you
this
tell
one?
the last first step again?
Okay. Yes. Any more doubts you have? See here. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. It means this angle 60, this angle 60, as well this whole angle is 60 degree. This whole angle is 60 degree. Okay. So how to calculate this angle? This whole angle is 60 degree. It means we require these two angles as well. We require these two angles as well. So first we are going to calculate this angle. This triangle is isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. These two angles will be equal. Okay. This angle we already have 150 degree. So we have calculated this angle. These two angles are equal. So 15 degree we got. This either you can calculate as well, apply the isosceles theorem, isosceles triangle theorem, and you can calculate this one as well. Or we have already proved these two triangles are congruent. It means this angle will be equal to this angle by CPCTC. So this is 15 degree. This angle as well will be 15 degree. Okay. This whole angle is 60 degree. This whole angle is 60 degree. Okay. So we can calculate the remaining angle. From 60 we subtract 15. We subtract 15 again. 2 times we subtract. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
one way.
sir.
Other way is also there. One more way is there. This angle will be as well 15 degree, 15 degree. You can calculate this angle, this angle. Apply this side equal to this side. You already know in this triangle. This angle you can calculate. This 15 is there, so it will be 75. 75. 75, 75, 150. Remaining angle 30 degree. That way as well you can calculate. Okay. That way as well you can calculate. Understood this question? Okay. Third question is homework. Try it. Okay. Everyone must try the third question. Okay. Everyone must try the third question. It's homework. Okay. We'll try it in class as well tomorrow. Okay. So every day, 2 or 3 questions you try at home. Okay. Third question you try, fourth you try, and sixth question you try. Fifth you leave it for time being. Third, fourth, and sixth you try as homework. Okay. Third, fourth, and sixth. Okay. and we will do them in class tomorrow. Okay. So you must try it at least once at home so that it become easy when you are in class. Okay. So everyone must try third, fourth, and sixth question. Okay. Fifth, you can try as well. Okay. Fifth question we'll say in class tomorrow. Understood now? Anything you want to ask? Okay. So we end the class.